ROV is touching the water, ROV is touching the water.
Ready for release. Ready for release.
Release, release, release.
Is away.
Clear the stern, clear the stern.
Copy, clear the stern.
This is an audio slate for Dive H2114. UTC time is 11:09:30. Mark.
was that?
$50 meters. The delta's getting really high.
Control winch, that's all stop. 50 meters, sending control to the van.
Roger.
My utility is really weird. Or never mind. All good. Yeah. Yeah, for a second it was showing like 100 meters per minute. Yeah.
No. Oh well. Hopefully it's really cool. We see all the cool things.
That's the hope.
We love cool things.
There's going to be cool things.
Ooh,
Squids. Squids are pretty
Squids.
cool.
Cephalopod nation.
Starting strong.
Is it just me or there's like extra marine snow going on here? Previous?
Well, you know, seamounts can concentrate, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you might see a lot more water column action here.
Ooh, oh, I'm excited. Cephalopod nation already got some fan service.
Oh, yeah, we got inked good. There was one day we got inked so good that the altimeter... Yeah.
Oh.
Eh.
It actually affected the altimeter?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy. We're like, oh no, the bottom, it's so shallow. Oh.
Yum.
Fresh calamari.
Mmm.
You have to ask Dan. Is it, no? Oh. Well. I don't know. I've only poked around at Griffon a little bit. I don't know it very well.
Also have something amiss over here with the van temps. I don't have that. The van water temps, like it won't load.
What's up, back row? How's it going?
It's going pretty good. It's going pretty good.
We're just,
I'm not used to you guys being so quiet.
I was clearing my throat for like a good minute.
Oh, okay.
I was staying out of the way of the Raspberry Pi diagnostics.
Yeah.
But yeah, screwy MAC addresses can really mess a lot of things up.
I'm like, oh.
Fingers crossed that's it.
Yeah, hopefully.
Every time I hear Raspberry Pi, I'm always thinking about food.
Yes.
Yes. I never had
And
a
we were talking about
Raspberry
food
Pi.
earlier. I don't know if you were there
Well,
for that,
Raspberry
Megan.
Pi does sound delicious, right?
Right?
It
Sounds
does.
expensive and delicious.
It would
These
be
days,
expensive.
yeah.
Raspberries are expensive.
They are. Oh.
Like a raspberry tart.
I'm like, ooh, delicious. I
I feel like
what's
that's what's missing. We don't have any berries.
No.
Yeah, unfortunately they don't keep very long.
No.
They don't.
Partly why
They
they cost so much.
It's like 3 days and then boom, bad.
Yeah.
If you're lucky.
Frozen. You could do frozen.
And that's why I stopped buying
true.
berries at the Safeway. They just keep
Yeah.
like 24 hours and then they go, and it's just disappointing.
Yeah. Oh, raspberry tart would sound so good right now, though. Ooh. Just some custard, vanilla ice cream. Even though we just had ice cream today.
Oh man, the ice cream was so good.
Oh, it was. Ooh, look at that little...
I still can't believe we managed to get a second ice cream day.
I know. I said, wow,
Popular
truly a
vote,
triumph.
second ice cream.
Democracy for the win.
Hey, we got 3 flavors today. That was awesome.
I know, right?
Oh, you
could
got
make a whole
3?
Neapolitan.
Yeah.
Oh, there was strawberry?
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Oh, I
vanilla, and
missed
chocolate.
it. I missed the strawberry. I love strawberry ice cream. It's so good. I did come in pretty late. I had a good nap.
Okay. You do it.
Teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Hi, Levi.
Hello. We got Levi and Levi. Double Levi's. Levi squared.
Possibly, but we're here for it.
Amazing, amazing. Totally random thought, but we were talking about Raspberry Pi, and I'm like, could you make a pie out of marine snow? And if you did, what would it taste like?
Rich people food.
Would it taste fishy? Is that like a savory pie, or would it taste bad?
I'm
Think
not
just bad?
going near that, sorry.
Right?
I don't think it would taste good.
Right? Maybe
No.
not. Maybe not. No,
Also,
no,
It's salty.
no. Ooh, it's salty.
Well,
Some umami.
you know,
You know what marine
a lot
snow
of, like,
is.
particular
do.
organic matter from various sources. And
mystery pie.
yeah, there'll probably be some like random crunchy bits. I
Ooh,
don't know.
I don't know if I like that.
No.
It sounds like it would be fancy though. Marine
You
snow
know, we
pie.
got lots of
No.
like diatoms and stuff.
Yeah. Ooh, it's just a pie of like things like diatomaceous earth.
You
Ugh.
could brush your teeth with it.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick with the Haupia pie.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
Haupia, let's
Chocolate
do that.
Haupia pie.
What is that?
Yeah,
Deliciousness.
Deliciousness, but what is it made of? I never heard of this pie.
Coconut.
Ooh.
It's like a
Ooh,
coconut.
what?
It's sort of like a almost somewhere between like a Jello and a mousse. You know, kind of
Ooh.
light.
Yo, what?
Got a little, you know.
Oh, that sounds fire. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
so good.
Ooh, chocolate
Yeah,
more
coconut.
like-
get some when
more
you're
like a
through
pudding.
Honolulu.
Yeah. Oh, I
Yeah.
definitely have.
You should,
I will
yeah.
have
Yeah.
to. Oh my goodness.
Or get the Cocoa Puffs.
Ooh.
Those ones are good.
Cocoa Puffs?
It's like a cream puff,
oh.
but it's got chocolate, and then it's got like a chantilly top.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, yo, I was imagining.
Which bakery does those?
It's the
Is it
Lily
Leonard's?
Ha.
Lily Ha,
Yeah,
okay.
Lily Ha does that.
Ooh.
What even is a chantilly top? I don't know this.
You could probably, well, because Lily Ha does all sorts of baked goods. You could get your Haupia pie and the Cocoa Puffs and all sorts of other local favorites.
Is that, did I spell it right?
Yeah.
Chantilly
And
top?
it's right there by the
Oh,
Marine Center,
chantilly
too.
topping. I'm Googling
That's one of the
this.
ones that makes me very sad that
What is
I can't do the
this?
gluten thing because
Oh, is
you
it?
hear all sorts of. Oh, it's a bakery.
Oh, but sometimes there's gluten-free bakeries though.
Yeah. It's hard though.
It's a little
Depends on your
tricky.
sensitivity.
Oh, chantilly.
Because there's also like Leonard's Bakery, which is another local favorite.
Leonard's is
Yeah.
good.
So many of
I
those.
like when they do the,
It's like a
you get
cream
the filled
frosting.
malasadas.
I like the standard cinnamon sugar ones.
Yes,
You
cinnamon
have
ones are
like
good.
so many of those. They're
You have
pretty
no
big,
idea
too.
how
They're
much
like,
I want to
Yeah.
try one.
So is chantilly cream just like whipped cream, or is it like different?
No, it's different.
Oh.
It's like, it's hard to describe. I don't know. It's got a good texture.
It looks
What
like it
time
has
do
a
they
good
open in the
texture. I go, ooh.
The Leonard's?
Yeah. Is it just the, how many locations are there?
There's so many
there
locations.
mascarpone
They have food
involved?
trucks and stuff.
I'm
They have
familiar
food
with
trucks,
the,
yeah.
I'm familiar
Oh,
with the
food
trailer,
trucks.
kind of by Fort Island, if you take a left out of Fort Island that
Yeah,
way. I'm
yeah,
familiar with that.
right over there by the mall.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the one I'm familiar with.
I don't know what time
Ooh.
they open, but I think it's later in the day. But some of the other Leonard's locations might open earlier.
Whoa.
I know they
Sounds
close
good.
at 7. Found that out.
Oh, dang.
Not bad.
The guy was like packing up as Danny and I pulled up.
No.
No, he did make our malasadas.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah,
Oh
but
my
he was
God.
closing everything. We were like,
Can we please?
It was so close.
Dang.
Oh, we had ordered pizza, and then the pizza took way longer. Because we were like, we'll pick up the pizza. We ordered ahead of time. We were going to pick up the pizza, and then we were going to get the malasadas on the way back to make a circle.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You got lucky, yeah. That sounds like a great dinner.
Mm-hmm.
It was great. It was fantastic.
Oh.
Pizza and malasadas.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
It does sound really nice.
I love a good treat. A good
I
treat.
love a sweet treat.
What's your most favorite treat, Levi? What's your most favorite?
Like on the ship or
Anywhere.
Treats.
anywhere.
Yeah, like of all time, like the #1 sweet treat.
Are you guys hungry or something?
Yeah, for a sweet
We were
treat.
talking about food before lunch.
We
And I
were.
think the conversation is just continuing. It started with the raspberry pie this time around,
Yeah.
though.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
My favorite, it's like choosing your favorite child.
That's a good answer. There
Yeah.
are too many options sometimes, and it depends kind of like the day, what mood you're in.
Okay, what's
The
your
weather.
favorite baked good?
Ooh, that's a good
Ooh,
one.
there you go.
Yeah.
Seeing as we were talking about pie.
Ooh, baked. I love a pastry, so an almond croissant.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that's
that's
a
a good
good
choice.
one. Almond croissant. Are
That's
almond
really
croissants
nice.
like stuffed with stuff, or is it just like a croissant on the inside?
I like it when it's stuffed with like an almond filling inside, and then there's like
Ooh.
just a mound of powdered sugar.
Mm-hmm. That
It's
sounds
beautiful.
decadent. That sounds so tasty. Look at all this. I love looking at the little shiny things that occasionally come up. Like, what is
You're moving the ship
that?
astern, aren't you?
It's a little shiny thing.
You're dragging us over to waypoint 1?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Copy.
Ooh.
I'm fond of a good cinnamon
1200,
roll with
1300?
a
What was it?
Ooh.
13,
cream
15?
cheese frosting.
Yes. Yes.
Sweet.
Me, I just love a good fruit tart. Like a good fruit
Those
tart
are good, too.
with like a semi-sweet custard. Not too sweet.
Oh, and if they're like really nicely laid out and they put the glaze
Oh,
on top.
Ooh, yeah.
Yes. Have y'all ever had something called fruit pizza?
Fruit pizza?
Yeah,
No.
it's really weird. I don't know if it's a southern thing or not, but like, imagine you get like a crust, but the crust is a sugar cookie dough, and then the sauce, and like air quotes, is like a cream cheese frosting, and then the topping is just whatever fruit you want, and that's the pizza.
Now, is the fruit
Okay.
warmed?
No,
okay.
it's like room temp, and like you just serve it room temp. Like it's fresh fruit on top of a cookie with like cream cheese frosting.
Sounds good.
That sounds
Yeah.
pretty good, yeah.
It is
Yeah.
pretty good,
That
yeah.
sounds beautiful.
Yeah, and it's super cheap to make. Like you just slap it on there and then you got fruit pizza. It's good for picnics. Like you could have double the pizza. You get a regular pizza, and then you get a fruit pizza. Double the pizza.
Pizza.
I love how pizza could be like anything.
It truly could be.
I agree.
Mm-hmm.
I love a sushi pizza.
What?
I've heard
What?
of
Yo,
those.
what? How do you do that?
It is beautiful.
Oh,
It's
how
a
does it
of
work?
art. There's like different types.
Yeah.
So you can like make like sushi and just like have it in like a pizza shape.
Mm-hmm.
Some people have like the whole pizza crust, and then they put like, sometimes it's cream cheese or like,
Ooh.
and then they put like smoked salmon.
Ooh.
Sometimes it's just the pizza dough, and then there's mounds of raw fish.
Oh.
I love raw fish.
Ooh.
I mean, at that point, like, there's poke.
Yeah.
Or sushi bake.
Ooh, sushi bake is good.
I
Yes.
love
What is sushi bake?
sushi bake.
I have
Yeah.
no idea what this is.
Please explain to the uninitiated. I don't know either.
Yeah, how do you describe it? It's almost like a casserole, but like you put the sushi contents
Huh.
in it, but you also bake it. So like it's warm and kind of like a casserole.
Yeah, it's kind of best with like salmon.
Yeah.
And then, so you make your sushi rice as normal, and then you layer on your salmon and then your mayo and your furikake, and then you stick it in the oven and bake it. So you, like, you ever go to this sushi restaurant, like you get the baked rolls.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that same concept, but you didn't have to make a roll.
Okay.
It is now just a casserole form,
Yeah.
and you can serve it out.
Interesting.
And
Yeah.
you can put it on the seaweed, so it's almost like a seaweed burrito. It's kind of.
I kind of like to have like my seaweed, like the Korean little
With little
strips.
snacks,
Yeah, and then I
yeah.
just pick up pieces of my sushi bake with it.
Oh
And
yeah.
like make a tiny little like hand roll situation.
I love that.
Ooh. You fixed it, Robert. Thank
Speaking
you.
of pizza, I had a really interesting pizza in Palau. It was a sabus pizza,
The numbnut. Oh my gosh.
which is the sabus is the deep red snapper.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever had red snapper. That sounds tasty.
Yeah, they're one of the bottom fishes that people fish for.
Mm-hmm.
They're really gorgeous fish, and we had it in pizza form.
Ooh. Was it like the shape of the fish, or the fish was
like there was like just pieces of fish on the pizza. So it was like a cheese pizza, but with the fish chunks all over it. That sounded bad, but just like pieces of fish as the topping on the pizza.
I'd try it. That sounds pretty good.
It was pretty good. It was interesting. I don't know what we were expecting, but we're kind of, I think, expecting something a little bit different.
Yeah.
But it was a very good experience.
Because like fish and cheese isn't a traditional combination most of the time.
Right.
Like I would expect something like a cream sauce maybe as the base on the pizza, and then you kind of go from there. Like maybe a little dill, a little black pepper, something like that.
Yeah, I was like, I think we were thinking it was going to be an elevated, like, non-traditional pizza, but it was like a traditional pizza with fish as the topping.
Huh.
So
I'd try
it was
it.
very interesting. It was good.
Huh.
Yeah, I'm into it.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, I'll try everything once, you know?
Yeah. Well, I won't try everything once, but I will try a lot of things once.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was worth trying.
I mean, I did go skydiving once, and that was cool, but I think I'm good on that.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, that's one of those things like, I'll pass on. I don't need to do that.
I'm in the same
And that's
boat
completely
as that.
fair, yeah.
That's how I feel about bungee jumping. Like I did the
Yes.
skydiving.
Yeah.
I don't need to do that.
Yeah.
Bungee jumping is like it's
No.
a definite no for me.
I'm good. Like,
Yeah, I
what if
already
it
jumped out of an
breaks?
airplane. I don't need to jump off of something else.
It's almost more scary to jump off a structure.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
like
like,
something just tied around your ankles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lot of trust.
And
Like,
no
what
parachute.
if my ankles break? You know, I don't know.
I don't know.
uh,
And I also just don't want to be hanging upside down.
No.
No.
Yeah, like how do you get back up? Like how
they
do
just
they
haul you back up.
Oh, no, I don't like that.
Who needed dignity anyway?
I don't know, or they drop you the rest of the way down.
Right?
No, I think they haul you
What
up.
you're jumping
They
off
haul
of.
you. No. Oh my
Like
gosh.
if you're jumping off a bridge and it's like in the middle of a river.
They don't really show that
I
part.
was gonna say they never filmed that part, do they? Right?
Yeah,
we need the full
it's
experience.
Not the jump
Someone
that's
film
the problem.
this.
It's the everything after that.
It's the recovery.
Yeah. I feel like a little.
When I
little
jumped
shrimp.
off South Point, the jumping off the cliff was great. The climb back up, not so much fun.
Yeah.
No. I want the whole experience to be nice, not half nice, half terrible. That is wild. What was skydiving like? Like, what did that feel like?
Well, when you're in free fall, I figured out you don't have to breathe on your own because you're just getting air forced into your lungs.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
So that's cool.
My experience was I went to the highest level you can do without being like a pro skydiver. So you had to have like oxygen and everything while you're in the plane.
What?
And there's some tandem. And then when you first exit the plane, it's like Val said, it's just the air hits you so fast you can't even breathe. So you have to kind of like turn your head to like sip it out of the side of your mouth while you're first getting that free fall.
Oh
and then,
my
so that part was unexpected and like a little bit, almost that sense of drowning.
Oh my gosh.
I just kind of let it happen. I was trying to yell and couldn't, so.
Yeah.
Because
But
you can't get air out of your
free fall
lungs.
is great.
It's just going in.
Yes, there's that.
That is wild.
Yeah, see, that's not really doing it for me.
I know, yeah, I'm not really sold either. I'm like, oh, I don't like that.
And that was really cool. You get this incredible view. You're weightless, but it's also very windy and very loud.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it was pretty cool. And then the instructor because I also jumped tandem, because that was hopefully my only time jumping out of a plane.
Oh gosh.
He pulled the chute, and there were some clouds because we had a kind of a narrow weather window to jump in, and he pulled it a little bit too early. And had to do some spins to get down under some clouds, and I got motion sick.
Oh no.
Over a residential area.
Oh my god.
Oh no. Wait, were you feeding the birds? Tish?
The residents.
It was early in the morning.
Hopefully no one was walking their dog. Right?
Oh man, that'd be unpleasant.
Can you imagine seeing that? Like as you're walking your dog, I'd be like, oh my gosh.
I try not to think about that part.
You either made someone's day or did the opposite of that.
Hopefully nobody was out or everybody was off doing other things.
If I saw that, I would have been like, that's the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life.
You probably wouldn't have had any idea.
Imagine if you were like a bird and you like saw it falling. Like, well, as a bird, what would you think? You know, like, what was that?
I don't know. What do birds think?
You know,
I wonder.
Some birds I feel got some good questions maybe. Like a parrot. Parrot might got some good questions.
I had a neighbor that had a parrot, one of the African greys.
Oh.
So smart. And I had at the time like this big old muscle car Camaro, and so I'd like back it up into the driveway, and he was always like beep, beep, in the exact tone.
That's so cute.
And then I would get out of my car, he's like, hey, pretty lady. Oh my God. So great.
I love that so much. Oh my gosh.
One of my friends in college, she had a green-winged macaw in the dorm.
Whoa.
Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
That is wild.
And he would always just scream hello at people in the morning. You'd see them walking by outside and just be like, hello.
That's adorable.
That's
Apparently
so
like college students after a weekend just really didn't appreciate that.
Oh.
It's been a long enough night, yeah.
Precious little babies. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we used to have dance parties. I'd get them cheese quesadillas, and we would have dance parties together. It was great.
That sounds wonderful. That's amazing. I remember one time I went dancing and some dude just like walked into like the dance hall and like had a parrot on his shoulder, like the classic red one with like the rainbow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I was like, why is there a parrot? You know, I'm not going to question it. This is too cool. And like, he was like, yeah, you want to pet my parrot that I take dancing with me? And we were like, sure.
Oh,
No
hey, we're
questions
halfway down to the bottom already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's still
wow.
not going to happen before the end of watch. But
Yeah.
No.
Oh, well, dang. Well, we're having good combos anyway.
hey, we're getting there for the next watch.
Blue water convo.
Yep. Yeah, parrots tend to show up in random places.
They really do. I'm
I
like,
ran
wow.
into some dude selling photos with his parrots up in Kailua Kona the last time I was on Big Island.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think I've seen that guy.
You probably did,
There's
yeah.
a parrot
I
guy?
think
Yeah.
it's a big tourist area, so I think,
Oh.
I mean, that would be a pretty easy way to make a living.
Yeah, you just walk
It's
around,
true.
they put the parrots on you, and like
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
take a picture.
Charge you $15 or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're big birds.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dang. See, I did that back home with the Predatory Bird Conservancy, and I got to take a picture with the vulture and a brown eagle, and it was
Ooh.
so cool. And an
Those
owl.
are also quite big birds.
There was an owl that I thought was like a baby, but it wasn't. It was a fully grown owl, and it had to have been like 5 inches tall. It was so
Aw.
cute.
So cute.
And they were all rescues, and I was like, oh my gosh. Shout out to the Predatory Bird Conservancy. Love the work they do.
So do they do like rehab of the
Yeah, they were
animals?
all
Okay.
they were all rescue birds. Like somebody like shot the brown eagle and like, but they rescued it, rehabilitated it, and like that
Do
eagle's
they
living.
release as much as possible, or can they not release some of the birds?
They try to rehabilitate and release as many birds as possible, and then the
Gotcha.
ones that they can't, they use to like take to places to show people and bring awareness, and you can get like merch and like support the birds and the rehabilitation. I got a bag that says carry-on bag, but it's spelled like carry-on bird, and there's a vulture on it. It's my favorite tote. It has pockets.
A tote with pockets.
Yeah, very rare indeed.
Do you take it on the airplane with you?
I did not. I did not. I left it at home. I forgot to
feel
wash
like that
it.
was a missed opportunity.
It truly
Yeah, for real.
was. I'm going to take that note next time I go on, on an airplane. I'll bring my carry-on bag. It was so cool, though. I was like, oh my gosh. I didn't know owls came in that size. So much blue water.
Blue.
I guess I'll say hello to anyone just tuning in. We are currently descending our ROVs on the ridge off Bokak Atoll in the Marine Sanctuary, oh no, the National Marine Sanctuary. Yeah.
Yep, and this is a relatively recently established marine sanctuary from what I understand.
Oh, wonderful news. I
Yeah.
love that. Hopefully these patterns can continue, can get more
So-
sanctuaries.
Yeah, we're in the northeastern part of the Marshall Islands. So our last dive was over on the western side, so it was a little bit of a transit to get over here. And yeah, we're doing some mapping and looking at some features that have not really been explored much before.
Super exciting stuff.
So many
Oh, this is going to be a
features.
fun one.
I know. It was so cool to see trees again after such a long while.
Oh yeah,
Nice to see
we saw,
trees.
yeah, we got relatively close to the atoll today.
Yeah, we were like a mile off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, whoa.
It's a lot closer than we normally get.
I'm
Yeah,
so
it's
excited.
an interesting little feature that we're going to be diving on today. From the gravity data and what little chart data that we had available, I kind of figured this was going to be a southward extending ridge coming off of Bokak. Just a big submarine volcanic rift zone. And we see stuff like this, like offshore Kohala, for example, in the Hawaiian Islands. When we mapped over it, had some different features to it. It has a relatively flat top and steep sides, so this is some sort of a geo. A little bit smaller than the main Bocac volcanic structure. And this one is a little unusual because it's got some structural features throughout the sides, especially visible along the sides of the seamount that are aligned with each other, which suggests that there's some sort of regional tectonic stress field, which is interesting.
Yeah.
And the top of the geo is actually not entirely flat per se. It is more kind of covered in these little volcanic nubbin things. I don't really have a good name for them, but they're these little volcanic cones. So I've seen this before in a different part of the Pacific, and we mapped a couple of seamounts like this up in the Hess Rise region last summer and dredged a couple of those with a different ship, me and one of my collaborators and the team that we brought with us. And we brought up some interesting rocks from that. So this is what we mapped today, and what we're diving on is it shares some of those characteristics, some of those morphological features that we saw last summer. So I'm very, very curious to see what the geology looks like down here.
Yeah.
It's a little bit different today.
How exciting.
So we are going to be diving on a small ridge on the southern side of this sort of geo-like structure. And it's going to be a shallower dive. So we're starting at about 1,300 meters, slightly below. And we are going to be heading up toward the summit with every intention of getting on the summit and checking out one of these nubbins. And while we're on the summit, we're also hoping to see some fish, among other things.
Yes.
Maybe get a little bit of fish dive time in for Megan.
Yay,
And
fish.
try to get some photogrammetry transects and just see what this seamount has to deliver for us. I'm pretty stoked. I'm really hoping this one delivers. I think it will.
Yeah.
They tend to.
We really want to catch this fish called Coelurhynchus.
Ooh.
I don't know if we'll see it. It might be a little too deep here, but it's one that we've been spotting in the drop cameras, and we don't have a species name for it. But we keep seeing the same fish in a lot of different areas, and we did some drop camera work over here in the Marshall Islands, and
you
we'd
saw it
really
in
like
those?
to know which species of Coelurhynchus it is.
Oh, that would be exciting.
Ooh. Oh, that would be
we
amazing.
gotta keep our eyes out for that fish.
What does it look like?
So Coelurhynchus is a type of rat tail fish.
Oh.
It has a very distinctive head shape. It's got these really pronounced ridges along its nose. So it's got a very pointy nose.
Whoa. I'm seeing some photos of rat tail fish. They all look so different.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh, wow.
Also, the name Coelurhynchus is fun to say.
That is. Coelurhynchus.
Coelurhynchus. Oh.
So yeah, there was some drop cam, work done just off of the main Bocac structure, right? Off of the main volcano.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so we're about 8 minutes to the end of the 8 to 12 watch. A little truncated today. And so you'll start to hear some other folks moving in over the next 8 minutes or so.
Yep.
Yep. And they are starting to move in.
Yep.
So I'm probably going to relocate down to the lounge after this and see what it looks like once we reach bottom, and then decide how late I'm staying up after that, because we will be taking over again at 8 o'clock the next morning.
We got
so some rest has to happen in there somewhere.
We got inked by a squid diving down. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Alrighty, y'all. For those of y'all just tuning in to the live stream, we are about to change shifts very shortly to keep y'all on the loop of where we're at right now. We are descending our ROV vehicles onto a ridge off Bokak Atoll in the National Marine Sanctuary along the Marshall Islands. We're still descending, but we will soon reach the bottom and hopefully see some really cool stuff. Again, if y'all want to ask us any questions, I recommend y'all go to nautiluslive.org if y'all aren't already there, and submit your questions to us. Well, that'll be for the next shift, but thank y'all for tuning in.
All right, time for Backrow to start signing off, so we will see you in the morning.
Thanks for tuning in. Continue to follow us as we explore.
What's up, big dog?
Yeah.
Barely. Check, check, check.
Do it again.
Check. Sweet. 1,034 meters. Expected bottom, 1350, I think. Wind. There it is. Wind. Roger. 12.
We are just switching to our 12 to 4 watch. Just give us a few minutes. We'll be right back. Hi everyone, we just started our 12 to 4 watch. My name is Matt Holden. I am the Science Communication Fellow for this watch. We are currently on expedition NA174 to explore the waters of the Republic of the Marshall Islands. On this dive, we will be doing our first dive in the National Marine Sanctuary of Baikar and Bokak. We are currently descending to right around 1,300 meters depth. Looking at a ridge off Bokak Atoll. For this dive, we are going to be looking for a few objectives, or to complete a few objectives. One of those will be looking for biological samples that can tell us a little bit more, hopefully, about range extensions and possibly even discover some new species. We will also be looking for geology specimens that we can collect to help us understand a little bit more about the geophysics of the Earth and the history of life on Earth. And we will also be collecting eDNA, or environmental DNA samples, again to give us a better picture of the organisms that live in this amazing ecosystem. Stay tuned and send us your questions. We should be hitting the bottom shortly. Guess we can go ahead and do some introductions in this blue water. Again, my name is Matt Holden. I'm a Science Communication Fellow. When I am not at sea, I am a high school science teacher in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Super excited to be here with you today and looking forward to your amazing questions. Steve, would you mind introducing yourself?
Sure. So my name is Steve Oskovich. I'm the watch lead for the 12 to 4 and one of the biology science co-leads, focusing on marine biodiversity and later in the lab, genetics and sequencing of the specimens that we collect here on this expedition. Normally, when I'm not on Nautilus, I'm based at the National Museum of Natural History in the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, where I'm a biologist and genomic specialist.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Steve. Mariana, would you mind introducing yourself? I think your mic's still up.
Hi guys, I'm Mariana Poznansky from the Marshall Islands. This is my first cruise on board EV Nautilus, and when I'm not at sea, I'm an intern at Mimra at the coastal division, and so humbled to be here, so grateful, and don't
Perfect.
forget to subscribe.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, check us out on, if you're watching on YouTube, you can always follow along again on nautiluslive.org, where we have our question bar open and looking for your amazing questions. So happy to have you on board, Mariana. Leela, would you mind introducing yourself?
Of course. Hi, y'all. I am Leela Madhava. I'm one of the ocean science interns aboard this cruise, and I'm the data logger for this shift, meaning that I'm keeping track of important events and samples as they happen during the dive.
Yeah.
I am originally from Chicago, but I now go to school at University of Washington, Seattle, where I am studying marine biology and biology.
Awesome. So happy to have you, Leela.
Yeah.
Very important seat, that data logger. We got to make sure we don't miss anything. Up on the front row, Dan, would you mind introducing yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. My name's Dan Kirilov. I'm sitting as video engineer for this shift. And when I'm not here, I'm freelancing for anything from corporate to sports. And right now I'm working the best freelance gig of them all with all of you fine people.
Yeah, awesome. I would agree. One of the best gigs of them all, working with OET and EV Nautilus. Our ROV pilots, would now be a good time to introduce yourself.
Yep. My name's Rye. I'm sitting in the co-pilot seat, and when I'm not here, I like long walks on the beach. Sorry, I kind of forgot what the question was.
I love this. Now we're turning it into our dating profiles.
Yeah, there we go.
There's a very long beach, not a few miles from here.
Oh,
yeah,
very exciting.
We're actually near some land for the
yeah.
first time in a while.
Yeah, super exciting. Able to see land. Don't get to see that very often while we're out at sea.
Yeah.
Levi, would you mind introducing yourself?
My name's Levi Unima, and I'm sitting pilot flying Hercules right now, and I'm from Rhode Island, and this is my first cruise with this ship, so very exciting. Glad to be here.
So happy to have you. And last but not least, Gabby, would you mind introducing yourself?
Yes, aloha and good morning. My name is Gabby Espino, and I'm the navigator for this wonderful watch team. And when I'm not navigating, I'm C4 mapping here as well. And I also enjoy long walks on the beach and good books and a fun movie with the family.
I love it. I love it. Amazing. So happy to have you. And since we're talking about long walks on the beach, I as well love them, and I also love to snorkel. So yeah, super excited to be out here, see what we can find at this amazing dive location. This is our first dive in the National Marine Sanctuary of Baikar and Bokak, which was recently made a National Marine Sanctuary, the first in the Republic of the Marshall Islands, earlier this year in 2005. 2025, I'm sorry.
What year is it again?
I do that a lot. Like,
nice.
Leave out the 2 in the 20s when I'm saying the year. I don't know. And again, we are getting closer to our target depth. Just over 1,300 meters is where we're heading today, as we will be exploring this ridge off of Bokak Atoll. We are currently about 1,233 meters deep and looking forward to what we find. What everyone have as their pre-shift snack? It's going to be my question from now on.
A little toast with jam and an espresso.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I made an espresso and then a coffee on top of it. Getting that extra boost today. What'd you? Someone told me, what's it called, a red eye or something?
Or a shot in the dark.
A shot in the dark. Nice. I like it.
I really like shot in the dark.
Yeah,
it's a fun one.
It is. It's a good one. What about you, Leela? What'd you have?
I had the soy ramen.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And Also a cup of coffee, which I added lots of sugar and also cinnamon to.
Ooh,
So
I gotta try that cinnamon.
it's solid, yeah.
Awesome. Anyone else care to tell us what they had as their pre-dive snack?
I had quantity 2 Oreos.
Oh yeah, I hear those Oreos were put out for a special reason, right, Steve? Maybe we'll get to see something related to Oreos.
We'll see. End of the dive, maybe. No promises.
Be really cool if we did.
Some oatmeal.
Nice.
It was my last packet.
Oh no.
Well, that would
Now
actually
I'm
be really nice
sad.
to stock.
I was really,
Yeah.
I was a little jealous actually. The oatmeal looked really good.
I'm sorry. It's in my belly now.
It's all gone.
When you guys were growing up, did you ever have they used to make these, I'm a little older than some of you, but they used to have these like little, like, I don't know if they were jam or syrup or what, they had these little packets that you could put in your oatmeal, like little sweet strawberry packet things. Yeah, I haven't seen them in ages, so I don't even know if they make them anymore, but I have like a very fond memory of sitting at my grandma's house and she made oatmeal and I demanded having one of those little sweetener packet things in it. We also have Annette joining us. Would you mind introducing yourself?
Hello, everybody. This is Annette Govindarajan, science co-lead doing eDNA sampling with autonomous sampling with our sampler on Hercules, which I'll tell you more about during this dive, and taking water samples to get some more eDNA. So this will be our, what we like to call our forensic approach of studying biodiversity through these seamounts.
Awesome. Super excited to have that really cool high-tech, new age technology on board to help us explore this environment.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, you ready for me to come astern underneath you? All right.
Keep your eyes open. Oh.
Ooh.
What is that?
That's a squid.
Little squid inks.
It inked itself.
That stuff that we just saw, was it ink?
Squid ink, yeah.
Huh.
There's the
that
bottom.
is totally not what I expected it to look like. And we've reached
It's more
bottom.
like mucus, yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's normal. Looks pretty rocky so far.
Oh yeah, just coming into view there.
I'm like blown off a little bit. I'm gonna turn into the ground and come towards you here. There you go.
So Annette, we just had a question about the eDNA. Maybe you could help me answer it.
Sure.
Someone was asking, has eDNA been able to estimate if there might be new species or unidentified animal species?
Yeah, so if we were to encounter new species that are unknown to science, which undoubtedly there's many in these depths, it would basically, one of our steps in our data analysis is we take the DNA sequences and we match them to a reference library that contains sequences from specimens that we have studied, right?
Gotcha.
And so what we would find is that there would be no match.
Right.
And that would mean a couple of things. That would mean that, you know, it's from a species we know that just hasn't been characterized yet for the library, right? Or it potentially could mean that there's something new out there. But this is why we have in parallel with the sampling, we have reference library sequencing ongoing, and you can actually talk to Steve about that. So
nice.
He's doing some of that really important work. So,
awesome.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, but before I let you go, I wanted to ask, is the power on to the sampler, to the multipuffer? Can someone tell me that?
Yeah, I have XY.
Is that yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Also just had another question about how long we are at sea. Our expeditions with OET can vary on their length. However,
Yeah, it worked. Yeah, I punched it back out, but it was working. Doing Z-buys now.
This specific
I can touch down, I can do a white balance.
NA174 is for 21 days.
And then there's some corals here.
And then,
Okay, who's, Leela, you're on the data?
I am indeed.
Okay, so I'm going to start up pumps 0 and 1 right now.
All right.
just come down a little bit. So
And can you tell me the depth?
The depth right now is 1,305 meters. Sorry,
Okay.
1305.
1305.
Yes.
Okay, so pumps 0 and 1 are now on.
All right, heard. Thank you very much. 136 and 137.
All right. We ready for white balance?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm ready.
Video, would that be a good time?
Yep, ready for white balance.
Okay.
Hydraulics are good to go, right? Yeah.
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 Nice.
Cool.
Oh, sorry, I'm going to adjust this first.
Cool, cool.
It looks like something's swimming.
All right, bring it up the
in
arm.
that top, kind of hard to tell, top left. It just looked like it, oh, there it is.
Yeah, it's a halosaur.
Halosaur, cool. Could you tell us a little bit about halosaurs, Steve?
Zoom in video and all?
Yeah, they're pretty common.
Sorry, here. Actually, hold
deep
up.
water fish
Oh,
in these
can you zoom out
environments.
for me?
Yep.
Sorry.
Eel-like.
I just got the...
There's a couple different common genera, but there's some characteristics. If we get a tight zoom, we can...
All right, you want to zoom in?
Cool. Them. Yep. Zooming in.
I can center it better. How's that? Do you need me to pan the camera around at all?
Right. Just a touch to the right if you could.
To the right. Too far?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah,
maybe we were good before.
I'll go up a little bit. Get the black. Well, we'll get there. Is that all of your zoom?
That is all. That's probably will be good enough.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to start with black, so we're going to lose it for a second.
Okay. Nice view of the arm and the lower.
Okay, black is good. Going for white.
Okay, I seem to be having a communications issue with the sampler. It's stopped. Check the connections.
Hold on a second. Let me redo white real quick.
Yeah, around here. Sorry, I'm coming back up. I can see my tether and my butt cam.
Okay, good for white balance. Coming back out.
Nice.
And I'm just noting down in chat that there's a communications issue popping up.
Yeah, so it's not sampling anymore. And so I'm going to ask if we could recycle the power, and I'm going to try starting everything up. Give me a moment, and I'm double checking all of our connections, which seem like they're good. Was communicating initially, so let me just hang on a second here. All right. Okay. All right. Can we recycle turn off the power for the multipuffer?
Sure.
Thanks.
Multipuffer coming off. Multipuffer is off.
Okay, let's keep it off for a minute, and then we'll turn it back on.
Video and zoom on this little coral. Just snap it real quick, just for ID.
Sorry, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, thanks.
I think the arm is touching this.
Dan, when you get a second, could you tell us about what you just did with that zooming in on the white and black?
Sorry, one more time?
Could you explain what you just did with the white and
black with the white tape?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So we want to make sure that all the colors on our video are as true to life as possible. So first we go into the white tape as much as possible, do a full black balance, so all the black, red, green, blue levels are solid. And then after that's good, I do a white balance, and it does the same thing in the full white spectrum of RGB. And then once that's good, we should be true to life.
Awesome.
Okay,
very cool.
Can you turn the power back on to the multipuffer, please?
Yep.
Thanks.
Hang on. There you go. Power is back
Power's on.
Okay, video, we can zoom out. Probably keep moving here.
Copy, coming out.
Thanks.
First order of operations, once all the tech is working, is finding a rock here. There's some rubble in the area that might be promising.
We got you, Val. We getting them rocks. It's rock o'clock.
Oh, behind Atalanta.
I feel like every time we collect a rock, we should put like a heavy metal rock song on or something.
Don't tempt me.
I turned starboard when I landed.
Okay, the sampler
You want me
is
to spin
on
around?
again.
Or do you want to spin around? Make it big. What if you just come down a little bit?
Filtering
Try to get better
looking
eyes.
on it?
Did you get that?
Just like a little
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it's really, let's use this as the start time.
So I can see what way it goes.
Since it wasn't really working, since it was negligible before.
It's hard to tell which way it goes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I got to
Cautiously
turn port.
optimistic here.
Makes sense, right? I'll
So
just
I
go the
have
opposite way I came.
12:20 is the start time for
I was
both.
happy, so.
All right.
I'm gonna spin around.
I'm going to keep the start time on the sheet and just make a note, just so we know like the period we're
Delta
looking
13,
for.
you come up a little bit more, yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't sampling before.
Yeah,
or
just to
it
know
was a
like
very
if we're looking in
negligible.
chat for things related to it, just so we know like this is the area where things were happening to it. But I'll make a note saying that there was no sampling, real
And say
sampling.
the sampling
happened
started
until-
at 12:20.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
And Annette, if you need the depth, we're currently at
Oh, yeah.
1303. 1303.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. All right. Things, knock on wood here.
We got this.
It's going. Okay.
Just to confirm, I have 12:21 for start time.
I had 12:20, but
12:20.
yeah.
Gotcha.
And that would be for both of them.
Might take a minute to work out.
What is that?
Oh,
It looks like a spider.
It's just a shrimp, isn't it?
Shrimp.
It's just stationary, floating
It's
around.
wild looking.
Yeah.
Bye, friend. He said, I'm not ready to go away yet.
Does that look any better? Yeah. So the 3 of the wide cameras ultimately take the video stream and put it to IP traffic, internet, and then it has to encode and decode. So those 3 have a pretty low frame rate. It does look more chunky than normal. Yeah, the faster the ROV moves, like the worse it looks, right? All right, how's it look? You think it's worse? All right. Oh, okay. So I'm going to turn back starboard to go back where we were. All right. We're working the tether, Steve.
Yep.
Built this 15. You want to come up just a little bit? Yeah.
Whee! It looks like we're going really fast.
Alright, that's back where I was.
Ooh. Oh.
It's a synaphobranchid.
What was that again, Steve?
The synaphobranchid eel. We saw a bunch last time.
Okay, gotcha. There's a little one.
Oh, you want me to push ahead up the hill? So drag it under you more?
Oh.
I'm going to turn starboard a little bit, more towards the hill. What's the direction of movement? What's uphill? Like 45?
Is that a tripod fish?
Probably.
That is.
25. You want to come starboard a little bit? We'll just line up on 25 and then we'll come over.
So nice.
Ooh, yeah, there's a good rock.
Yeah.
Just had a question about one of our favorite things we've seen on this expedition thus far. For myself, it definitely has to be the Chimera.
I feel like nothing beats the Chimera.
It was absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
Chimera or ghost shark we saw on a dive about a day ago. It was kind of stalking Hercules. It kind of looked like from the back. It was really, really, really interesting.
Yeah, we can just go straight to 2 from here. Yeah.
Look okay? Once you're comfortable, we can poke a rock, but no rush. Wait, yeah, it's the weight, I believe. Cool.
ROV, was that just tether issues or?
Yeah, so the tether, we got to be careful not to put any knots in it or turns. And if it gets a little loop on itself, we could break the fibers in the tether if we pull tight on it. So we want to make sure that the tether is straight. See how it's nice and straight and bendy in the Atalanta view? So when we landed and turned, it kind of had a little bit of a memory in it. So we had to take a minute to make sure that it's nice and straight. But it looks good now, so I landed next to a little patch of potential loose rocks.
Awesome.
So Rye's gonna take the arm and see if they're loose, if I'm close enough. We'll see how, if I'm close enough here.
Exploration onward.
I think you are.
Thanks, Lena.
Judging by the
Can we zoom first?
Yeah.
Sure.
All of those in the center foreground, they look awesome.
Yeah.
I can tilt down.
Was that Val?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like,
I had that moment too. I was like,
what?
who was
Is there
that?
a ghost in here? What's going on?
Nah, it's just the lounge.
Yeah, where are we going, Steve?
Hey, Val.
Hi, Val.
I like the one on the right.
I concur. That is also an excellent rock.
All right, I'll come out a little bit so you can...
Copy.
We're going to go with the one on the right.
You want full wide so you can see your arm?
Yes, please.
Copy that.
And then as I
This will go in the starboard
Get in
box,
there,
one of the larger compartments.
around here. All right. So which ones?
The right one, lower right below your jaws there.
Yeah,
This one?
you got
Down,
This?
right up.
There.
Yeah, circle.
Oh, the one that I landed, yeah.
Poking rocks for science.
All right, coming in a little.
We leave no
Yay.
rock.
Yeah.
Turned.
Good
Okay,
rock,
we want
good
that rock?
rock.
Starboard side, yeah. I'm gonna change
Yeah,
it.
we want that rock.
You shall have the
Starboard
rock.
bio. Okay.
You gonna do a little glamour
See if
360
I-
on that?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Because I need to make sure I actually have it. All right, letting the dust clear here.
All right, coming in.
Okay.
What is that rock?
Worm tubes.
Oh, that's really interesting.
That is a nice boulder.
All right,
I
coming
concur,
out so
Val.
you can
Yeah,
put that in
come
the
out
box.
so that I gotta get my arm set up better.
All right, I have the craft looking, or the Titan looking there, and I got your 2 sample cams.
Looks like it even
there.
has like some
I'm ready to open the starboard box.
some other
Roger.
colors on it.
Can you give me sample salvo?
Sample salvo. Starboard box. I'm ready to open it
Now-
on your mark.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Never mind. You got it. You're on it. Yep.
Probably one of the big boxes.
Yeah. Dealer's choice.
Dealer's choice eye. Donk. Oh.
Find it in space. I think I'm right over it there.
Nice. Rock collected. EV Nautilus.
Happy geologists.
Very happy.
Geologists love rocks.
I hope they do.
Geologist who hates rocks and never wants to look at them.
Wouldn't make a very good geologist.
No, not as a rule.
You guys want another one?
You want
There's
more?
more. There's more rocks here. Or you want to keep going?
We'll look around first.
All right.
Saw something off to the right. Might want to zoom on.
Yeah, I think before next dive, I'm
There
gonna
we
have
go.
to pick out
Take
some
it
rock
off.
and roll songs.
Nice.
Give them over to Dan.
You want your dive salvo
Val,
back?
maybe you can
Sure.
help me pick some out.
We can work on it during the next transit.
Tilt your camera
Oh,
up
you want,
to get.
you want this?
Yeah, right there in the foreground.
All
Yeah.
right. Coming back down here. And bonk. All right, you can come in video. Copa, can you tilt me down as I struggle to land here? Yeah.
Copy that.
There's definitely a bit of current.
Oh, it's a crinoid.
Oh.
Okay.
A crinoid with friendly shrimp.
Was not expecting that, but yeah, crinoid.
His
And
little
that is
Siri
full.
holding on for dear
There's a
life.
bit of current here. Yeah,
Is there a little shrimp on there?
it's appreciable. Yep. All right, that's good. Thanks.
Good.
All right, we can. Are we gonna hold here because of the weather? Or are we gonna move on? Can we move on?
Yeah, we can move on.
Okay. Let's make a move.
Copy.
I'm gonna make sure you're extended.
Heading towards waypoint 2 then?
Yes, waypoint 2.
Oh yeah, camera was, I never extended it, so it was likely still retracted.
Yeah.
That's probably why it was shaking all around.
Yeah.
Good, thanks. You're lined up at what heading? 15?
Yeah.
And that looks pretty good for your, yeah, I think 15 for now.
For now? Okay.
Yeah.
Copy.
I'm ready for a move if you want one. Oh, what's this?
Oh, little sponge.
Little sponge. Do you want it, Steve, or keep going?
Yeah, you can snap zoom if you have
spongy.
time.
Snap sponge.
Yep. This is a glass sponge in the genus Euplectella.
I don't see anything inside of it. Normally they have a little something inside.
Yeah, no associates.
Sometimes. Yeah.
So I can really tighter on that. Oh, maybe not. Never mind. Full zoom.
All right.
All right.
Looks good. We'll see more of those.
There's a fish up there.
Roger, going wide.
Yeah, I'm ready for it. If you're good for it, Copilot.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Video, you want the fish? You can go for it.
Cuskiel.
Oh,
going for
he's about to bolt.
Oh, there's two fish.
It's
Another one.
One fish, two fish, copy.
A large cuskiel. Large-ish.
Yeah, we lost. Let it go. Whoa. There's something on a stalk up here. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
What is this?
That's a Actinoscyphia anemone. Stop.
Oh, is that one of the ones that looks like a Venus flytrap?
Yeah.
We want a little snap on that?
Yay.
Sure.
All right, coming in. Oop.
Sorry. Coming down.
All right, coming in.
What's on that rock?
Oh, there's also a hermit crab to the left. There's a lot of life here.
Yeah.
Let me know if you want me to tilt your camera.
Yeah, do
yes,
want
please.
Yeah.
What are you trying to look at? The
Just
crab?
right in these two hole right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not a
Oh,
hermit
he's got
crab,
the little
it's a
backpack.
Yeah, it's a homolid.
What's the name of the
Go
Venus
zoom, yeah.
flytrap anemone again? What's the scientific name?
Actinoscyphia.
Actinoscyphia.
Yeah.
Got it. And this is the same, we saw this in the
They
earlier
use their back
dive.
legs to
Yeah.
like hold their
Yeah,
little friend.
I think they're so cool.
And then this is a homolid crab.
Oh.
There. Family Homolidae, so you see the anemone, it's actually being held up on its rearmost legs.
Oh,
they are modified to hold usually anemones, but sometimes sponges or bits of coral. So we'll see these throughout the dive. This is their depth range.
All right, thanks video. We'll keep going, I think.
Copy, going full wide.
Steve, did you need a closer look at the anemone on the stick or keep going?
That's all right. Yeah,
Understood.
we saw a bit of it last few days. Yeah, there's going to be quite a bit here.
That's true, we're a bit shallower.
And we're a bit shallower, so we'll be seeing a lot more stuff.
exciting. Another sponge over there. Oh, you can see straight down it. That was cool.
Now this is a nice boulder right there. That's way too big. Only Danny could grab that one.
Can we take it home with us?
In your dreams.
I know.
We've got rocks at home, Val.
Yeah, but we don't have that rock.
Yeah, that one's special.
It's a nice rock.
For those of you listening, on a previous dive, we did find a really interesting rock that glows or phosphoresces. And you can check out a little more information about that on the gallery on nautiluslive.org.
is a cool setup here. It's like a little circle island in the middle.
King sponge or queen sponge.
Roger. That was 20 meters. Cool.
See what we can find.
Oh.
Another polychelid.
All right, maybe a shrimp. You want to snap it, video? It's a shrimpy, but.
Oh, actually, yeah, it's
big boy shrimp.
It is a large shrimp.
Oh, that's great.
It's not, not a polychelid. It's
its eyes are really interesting looking.
Tasty.
I had your relatives for dinner.
Thanks, video.
It's a little freaky.
Roger, going wide.
Yeah. Looks like zombie shrimp or something.
Eyes are a little.
It's the middle of the night, okay?
Is that another sponge on the
Yeah, it looks like that.
right side there?
Oh, you see the two crinoids over here?
Yeah, I saw those crinoids. Not particularly interested in them, but if we're not moving for a minute, we can zoom on them.
You want to do another 20 meters, co-pilot? You good with that?
Yeah.
I'll keep
see
going.
a lot more crinoids this dive.
Roger.
I hope we see a crinoid swimming again. That was really cool.
Oh, tiny little micro stock sponge maybe? You want to snap this little popsicle stick here?
Yeah. Oh, I see what you're looking at.
Yeah.
Copy that.
Little micro thing.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a little sucker.
Little microbilosoma something or other.
It's probably Saccocalyx. It's a different genus.
You want a closer view, or are you good, Steve?
That's good. We'll see. I'm hoping we'll see bigger ones. So.
Okay.
You said it was a.
All right, going wide.
Cephalocalyx.
Oh,
Saccocalyx.
Sorry, I was going to chase the fish.
Fish?
I wrote it in the log.
Thank you.
Steep. Roger. How about that?
So is it different species of crinoids that are attached or free swimming, or do they move throughout their lifetimes?
No, they're totally different groups.
Oh.
The attached crinoids are total different evolutionary lineage than the comatulates. Yeah.
That's really interesting. That's cool.
Yeah, I would have assumed that they were the same. They just decide to swim sometimes and decide not to.
Yep. No, they're not.
Ooh. Is that red thing
stalk.
up there?
Or pink stalk.
Two of them.
I think I know what this is, but we'll have to take a
We
closer
want a
look.
little snap on that?
Yeah, you want to frame it up? I'll land.
Looks like there might be a second
coming
one
in.
behind it also.
Yep.
All right, I'm on the ground. What is that?
Should we look at the end, Steve?
Yeah,
Is that
Yeah, the end.
What is going on there?
Is it the current moving it?
Yeah, it's the current.
Really pretty color.
Oh.
Sorry.
It's got these little.
It looks
This
like
is
it's
a crinoid stalk, and there's a regrowing crinoid there.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Does it have like banding on the stalk?
Those are ossicles. They're actually calcium carbonate, so like skeleton.
Oh.
But their stalk is made of calcium carbonate ossicles that are articulated. So this one is regrowing though. So normally they would be much larger, and several of the arms here are in the process of regrowing.
Okay.
We'll see more, I suspect. If this is what I think it is, it's a very common crinoid for these depths, so keep looking.
So is that wispy bit on the end, is it like shed bits of it?
No, they would usually, so they can be predated upon, and if they're predated upon, they can regrow.
Sweet. Thanks, video.
Over time, depending on how much is left.
Copy.
So that might be what happened here. Tough to tell.
What predates upon it?
Other sea stars, mostly. Or sea urchins, too.
Yes, there's another one up there.
Yeah.
Huh.
It also looks like it's...
Oh, there's something over here.
Gastropods, too, will predate, but they won't eat the whole thing. They'll just kind of parasitize bits.
Oh.
But usually sea stars have the power to consume them.
It's definitely giving me like
the power.
Avatar vibes.
Yeah. Ooh. What do we have
the hair
here?
to the tree or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go for star.
Going for star.
He's on the move.
Yeah, he's on the move.
Oh, look at it go. Run,
He
friend,
felt
run.
us touch down.
So cute.
Yeah, this is a Ophiocanthid brittle star. They're commonly associated with any kind of structure on the bottom.
I wonder if it's sensing us.
I don't really know what drives their movements, but
Looks like there's a pretty good eel moving by.
Got more zoomers at it.
Yeah, these are the.
That's
kinds
it.
that jump
Full
out
zoom.
things.
Copy.
Can we look at the
Little.
purple coral?
We'll go to the coral next.
Just
It's
above.
upright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
All right, I'll give you a little light on that.
Yeah, you tilt me up, co-pilot.
Yeah.
We'll try to find this coral. I think he's right here somewhere. There it is. Kind of looking at it sideways.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really pretty.
I suspect that we should, we're going to see many of these on the dive today. I suspect we should get a sample of this.
Okay.
If you're in a good spot. But there will be more. It's a very common coral.
Okay, I'll come out.
Are those sea stars on it?
Yeah, there's an Asteroschema.
Just coming up in preparation.
I'm saying Asteroschema, but it's a different
Okay,
family now.
I'm gonna
Uri-Elliot
land
star.
closer to it.
Can you say the name for that, the scientific name again?
This is Victor Gorgia.
Victor Gorgia. Okay.
Yeah. Victor Gorgia is named after the French ROV Victor.
I'll land here.
Oh.
It's originally described actually from the eastern Atlantic, but since it's been found all over the place, it was a taxonomic nightmare for a long time, but we now know it's actually quite speciose in the central and western Pacific, going down to Australia and Tasmania.
You can do, should be able to bring the arm out here.
There's several species, but it's always purplish like this.
It's a really pretty color. We haven't seen this one on previous dives, have we?
No, it's a bit shallower than we've been diving, so that's why we'll start to see other things.
Steve, how much of this do we want?
Can we take a look?
Yeah.
It's not particularly big, and they're very abundant at these depths, so we can probably, it's tough to see from this angle since we're kind of looking at it on the
You can see the
plane. Oh yeah.
The jaws are dwarfing it, so.
Can you zoom in?
Yep. Yeah. Zoom in.
I can't really see where. I think if we can cut it somewhere like there.
Yep.
Like with the brittle star, that would be nice.
Yep.
And then you had a species for that brittle star, right?
Yeah, it's I think it's Asteroschema.
Could I get
yeah.
spelling? Thank you.
There we go. Sorry.
Oh, also, Leela, I just remembered this, but it might help you as well. The worms
Steve, I'm gonna do it there.
website.
Good?
Yeah,
Looks good.
Yeah.
Yep.
I've been trying to put spelling in there too.
Very nice.
Nice. All right,
Good
I'm gonna
grab.
We can go. Why don't we go to the starboard box?
where-
Oh, starboard. Okay.
Where you put the rock earlier?
Do you want to switch to
Dump
sample
it on
program?
top of the rock.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Coming
So
over.
this
Do you want me to bring Titan around?
There's a pretty common
Sure.
species
Crab.
of Victorgorgia that
Kinda see
occurs
the
from
crab a little bit,
Hawaii
maybe.
all the way down to
Can you bring me
Philippines, and
the
so it'd be
bio
good to
box view
confirm
up on your camera?
That it's that
that
species.
it's that.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Cameras.
Also, it's really good to have a
Starboard
reference since we're
bio,
collecting a lot
camera
of
switch
eDNA.
over.
We have a
There you
specimen
go.
of the
Perfect. There we go. I can see
coral
my
Right.
approach here.
environment to match to the eDNA we're collecting.
Steve,
Yeah.
Yes.
is this going to be floaty at all?
It should be sink-y-ish.
Okay. Ish.
That's
So
dangerous.
you might want to.
Do we want to
turn
lock out the
turn
thruster?
turn the thrusters off while you drop it.
I'm pushing forward. I could try to reduce my forward way. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I guess that'll probably mess with your,
My landing.
if you're just on stick lock right now.
I'm stick lock forward. And I'm stick lock down. So I could just float it. I'll float that way. There's no thrust.
Yeah.
I'll open the box in preparation. Ready?
Yeah. Because we could get, like, I could get
Roger.
ready to let go, and then we could just lock out a thruster for a second.
Okay.
Just in case, right?
It should mostly sink.
Oh, sorry.
All right, here we go.
Mostly.
Getting too eager there.
I can just float up. So that way you're not. There's no thrust.
Okay.
I'm floating up, so there's should be no thrust. Just a little Z-bias, which I can kill some of that.
Okay. Are you all right if I
Yeah.
let go?
Yeah, do your thing.
Good.
Nice.
All right, it's in there.
Just making sure that I got-
Victorgorgia collected. EV Nautilus.
Okay. Nice. I'm out of there.
Starboard close.
Do those Victorgorgia get very, like, real large, like some of the other coral
That's
species
about
we've
average
seen? Okay.
size. Yeah, for this one. Yeah, they don't get really large.
So, from my brief Googling, is this not a coral?
It's an octocoral. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. You want your dive solvent back?
Sure.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
some
It.
hermits.
I want to say Victorgorgia was established as a genus
Just don't
relatively
come up
recently,
right
like in the
underneath me right
past
now.
15 years or
Okay.
so.
I'll stay
But
here.
we have collections of this dating back to the early 20th century.
Oh, wow.
In certain parts, and there was a big revision to this genus and its close sister genus, which is
Okay.
Enthothala
I'll start
recently.
climbing the hill.
We are good.
Sister shrimp. Yeah. We'll keep going.
Is its sister genus called Victoria Gorgia?
No, it's called Enthothala.
Ah, they really missed the mark on that one. Just kidding.
Yeah, we've had the potentiometers go on them. You just got to kill hydraulics. Yeah. Stock crinoid. So she's at 20 right now. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, what's this? On top of this rock here. Oh, crinoid. Ooh, there's more. More stuff up here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Really cool.
Victorgorgia was
view.
actually elevated to its own family recently.
Oh, wow.
The octocorals have been going through. They've been going through some things recently with the taxonomic revisions, so it's always good to keep up on the latest.
Yeah. Cool thing about science, the more we learn, sometimes we have to revise things.
Yeah, the genetics and genomics revolution is now hitting a lot of the
what's that up there?
The corals, and it's really changing a lot of what we know about their taxonomy and their evolutionary history.
Oh,
that's a very large
things like coming straight at us.
Well, we'll snap on that.
Let me land real quick.
Copy.
First Chrysogorgia of the day.
Do you want to see your porch?
Yeah, you want to tell me down? Yeah. Read my mind.
Bless you.
It's very slow though.
Copy. Stationary.
There we go.
All right, come in. Go for spot
right,
left,
go for zoom.
I'll try to hold here. You can pan and tilt me, co-pilot. Yeah, nice. Thanks.
Got to work on my spelling, Leela. Don't judge me.
You can go a little bit lower on that.
Could be worse.
And then there's a Euplectella squat lobster. Very large
cool.
one.
Whoa, sorry, that is so spicy.
I love their long arms.
Yeah, these most likely they're sitting out near the top of the colony or in the flow, trying to see if there's anything that floats by they can grab. They're usually pretty responsive. As you get shallower, they'll actually sometimes snap at things that, because they start to sense more light, but these are still pretty deep.
Yeah. Is this one associated with Chrysogorgia?
Almost. This genus, yes, is very commonly associated with Chrysogorgia. All right.
And he's on the way back down.
Blowing in the wind.
It's shy.
Thanks, video.
All right, we're coming wide.
We tried.
Just didn't want the attention, I guess.
Oh.
Oh.
Quick request, the port manip is in the wide field camera view.
Yeah, Roger, see it. I'm gonna actuate that, just FYI.
Copy. Yeah. Sounds awesome.
Just is that better, Steve?
What do we have here?
All right. So we have a primnoid octocoral here. Can we take a look at this?
Copy. Get your nice and close video.
All right. You want to wait to land or?
Yeah.
All right.
And I'm on the ground.
Copy.
Let's zoom on the brittle start.
All right.
Yeah.
Coming up.
Nice.
Nice. One more if you could. Thank you.
There you go. Sorry, it's so shaky.
Yeah, this is an Ophiocanthid also. This is probably in the genus Narella, and it would really be really nice to have a clipping of this coral also. Are you in a good position?
Stop ship move for just until we sample.
All right, I'll come in wide.
Thanks.
And we might want to get a better view of the bottom branching to see before we
get back
clip.
down on the ground here.
Okay. Do you need to see your porch?
Yeah, just tilt down to the bottom of the coral.
This is also the coral we saw when we first touched down on bottom. I thought we would see a bigger piece, so it'd be nice to get something slurpable here maybe.
Sorry, your view is just...
But we'll see what it looks like.
You're caught under a rock, you know that, right?
Where?
Your porch is caught under...
Yeah, I just kind of parked it here.
Yeah.
Okay. Coming in.
Okay. tilting you around.
So sometimes if a coral branches and where it branches is important for diagnostics. This one looks like it's branching, but it looks to be branching very low, and then it has very long running branches.
Sorry, I'm getting there, Dan.
No, you're all right.
Yeah, it's pretty far off to starboard. Sorry, guys.
It's all good. There you
All
go.
right, and that is full.
Yep. Okay.
Cool. Coming wide.
Oh,
so
there's
an
Euplectella right there.
Yeah,
too.
what was that?
So that's an Euplecella, and it's a part predatory
So
mollusk.
we want to sample this?
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talk to me,
do you think
Steve.
you can get like the branch here that has the brittle star on it, like cut it somewhere down here?
Okay. And then we're gonna kind of stuff it into a.
Yeah, let's go in the forward box. Keep it easy. That brittle star might jump off.
Yeah.
So don't worry too much about it.
Okay. So if it jumps off, we're not
Yeah.
too upset. Okay.
It's pretty funny when they jump
I have
off.
it pretty close. Your arm's pretty close to the ground, so you know. But there's a nice little window for you to bring it up.
Roger.
In this genus, there's over 40 species in the genus Narella, and most of them occur in the Pacific here. It's really difficult to tell them apart.
I see.
But there's been several new species described lately, so it's possible.
So we're, going for a grab on
this?
this?
Can you tilt my camera up a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I think we're going to grab
I
it.
see. I'm quite close.
I'll bring you in once you're situated.
Yeah, I just gotta find it in space here. There we go. All right.
All right, coming in.
Yeah, give me a partial.
That good?
Yeah. All right, Steve, like down here, right?
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah.
Sure.
Let's say as low as you can go. There's lots of material here.
How low can you go?
Yeah.
All right,
How
that looks
low
good. You can clip it.
you go?
Okay.
Nice.
Great grab.
Nice. Stuff it in the forward box, do you think?
Sweet.
Yeah, I think we'll stuff it in the forward
Our
box.
sea star's hanging on for now.
All right. You want me to retract it?
Yeah, please. And floaty levels.
Sinky.
Okay, perfect.
For sure.
All right, it's retracted all the way. Are you ready for me to bring the little box out here?
Yeah.
Forward box open.
So,
do we care where, which one?
Either.
Okay.
I just want to make sure we have enough material there, because so the interesting part about brittle stars is that if they've been on a coral long enough, they can actually modify diagnostic morphological characters. So normally the polyps will retract one way or the other, but if there's a brittle star there, they can modify how the coral behaves and how it grows. And so that top part that looks a little mangled,
that's really interesting,
is less useful for morphological taxonomy, but the cells and the tissues are fine for genetics.
So, any idea why it would have evolved to have that adaptation to like modify?
No, it's just like think about it like if you're having a party in your house and like they have a bunch of people on the lawn and your lawn gets like all flat and messed up. Yeah. So it's kind of like that.
Okay.
Eventually it'll go back to normal, as the colony continues to grow.
Gotcha.
But I mean that brittle star and its spiny arms kind of modify the way that it grows, in that local area.
That's super interesting.
Oh, extend my camera.
And I really like that analogy as well.
I got it.
That this brittle star is also
No, this one's I'm gonna say Ophiocanthidae, so
another
I'll write it down.
Thank you.
Ooh, what do we have there?
Crinoid or sponge, Steve? Keep moving.
The sponge, actually.
Righter.
The crinoid, we'll see more of those, but that's the one I suspected to see earlier that was regrowing.
Let's go in on the sponge.
It's like pretty reddish color.
Oh, I'm off in the air.
There's a story behind that.
Oh, there is. I'm excited to hear it.
All right, tilt me down. Yeah.
Nice.
Wow. This is another Euplectellid sponge.
got.
I think it might be similar
cool
to
hair,
what we
dude,
saw
doesn't he?
earlier. Yeah, it's
spikes.
It's a bit scraggly. It needs a shave.
So I can go tighter if we need.
But yeah, go more zoom.
All right.
Let's see if we can get some
go
detail.
for it.
Oh,
There it is.
Oh.
That was anticlimactic.
Not too much.
Yeah.
If I pet this sponge, Steve, would it just hurt me or?
No, it's not. It's not cactus level spiny. It's
okay. Would I just break all the hairs off though?
No, but I mean, if you really tried to puncture yourself, you probably could, but it's more like fuzzy, if that makes sense. But
Fuzzy
a lot of
Wuzzy was a sponge. Fuzzy Wuzzy.
Yeah.
Fuzzy sponge.
The fuzzy sponge.
I like that sponge.
Tip me up a little bit to see the top. I want to see the top.
Whoa. Yeah, more.
Yeah, let's just shake the camera around a little bit more. It's like,
a little spicy
Viewers at
this
home,
morning.
Are you sick yet? Or?
You can zoom out video. I lost my footing.
Let's carry on.
You too can experience seasickness without needing to see.
Yeah, we can move the camera around more, for sure.
Yeah.
Just had a question from my hometown, Fayetteville, Arkansas.
Oh,
what are some unexpected things you've seen on dives?